Is your wife your ride or die?
Can I ask you what that means, or is that?
Yeah, like ride or die, your boo thing, the one since the beginning. How many fingers am I holding up?
I don't know.
Okay, good. She's ready.
Hello, it's Chloe from ELLE.com. So today we're doing something super fun in the office. We just got in the new KKW Kimoji fragrance. The one we got was ride or die. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna spray it on our coworkers and see what they think. Ooh, oh, well. But the kicker is, we're not telling them what it is.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. I don't know what's happening, but I'm ready.
Can I blindfold you?
Yep, okay.
Yes,
I
fully
never
included.
thought you would ask.
Yes. How many fingers am I holding up?
6.
You nailed it. Okay. Oh! Okay, sorry, don't move your nose. Tell me what you think. Initial notes, thoughts, feelings, everything.
It smells like apple. I would say green apple. Kind of reminds me of spring. I feel like I'm in a meadow.
Oh, wow. Okay. I think it's like a little fruity.
Okay.
This scent, I just ate it again. It's
It's edible? No, it's not.
no, do not eat it.
Do not
but
eat it.
It smells good. It really takes me back. It's youthful.
Is it bringing back any memories?
It does remind me of Bath & Body Works, which I was a big fan of when I was younger.
Can you spray it again?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna spray it on your hand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here, wait.
Ooh, look at this, committing to the smell. All
I want to be thorough.
Yeah, a little fruity, sweet. Definitely something you would wear in the springtime.
Kind of flowers, maybe trees around. The Sound of Music, I kind of feel like spinning around in a circle and singing.
Yeah,
yeah.
You constantly are doing that.
It smells a lot like a Victoria's Secret fragrance, like super sweet,
I like that.
candy-like.
It's sweet, a little raspberry,
Ooh, raspberry.
honeysuckle,
Honeysuckle, raspberry, I'm feeling it.
alcohol.
Alcohol,
It smells a
okay.
little bit like a Smirnoff Ice.
Smirnoff Ice.
Yeah.
Wow, look at, what are you doing on the weekend?
I like it. I mean, I wouldn't mind if I was like hugging someone or holding someone and they wore this.
Hold, are you ready for the big reveal?
Oh, there's reveal. I didn't know there was a reveal.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Do you know what this is?
Ooh, I feel like it's one of the Kardashians.
Nailed it. Let me take your blindfold off and guess what it is.
Oh, I know what this is. So this is a new Kim Kardashian West fragrance.
Yes.
She has 3 of these.
Hit him with
This is
facts.
one of them.
I like the packaging. It's sweet. Something you definitely want to give to someone on
Oh, I like
Valentine's
it. You're going
Day.
full in. I like this.
Okay.
Committed to the fragrance.
Yeah, might as well, right?
It might be a little bit like, yeah, too much, too intense for me. I like a little bit more like subtle.
Okay.
Subtlety.
Kind of like
perfume.
a scent snob is the vibe I'm
Oh
getting.
yeah, I guess that's what's happening
Okay.
here.
I'm actually very surprised because I would assume that anything that Kim Kardashian came out with, I wouldn't want for my wife because it might be too intense, but actually it's very light.
Oh.
She likes stuff that is more, not too flowery, but kind of subtle, and this actually, it's quite subtle. You know, it's nice. It's not overpowering.
Okay.
Which is kind of what I would have expected, but no, it was great. I definitely think this is something that she would like, and I wouldn't mind if my wife wore it either.